Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a mystery box from Beautycon, and one of my YouTube friends, Leanne Sarao, and Leanne, I hope I'm saying your last name correct, I'm sorry if I butchered it, got one of these surprise boxes, and she actually had quite a few nice things in it. So these are $20 and you can get it on their website. They do have another one that's a little more expensive. I can't remember how much it was, but I didn't want to spend that much money, so I just wanted to see what I would get on this. So let's open it. So I haven't looked inside, I don't know what's in it. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is an eyeshadow palette from Cargo Cosmetics, and it says it has 12 shadows with a dual-ended brush. So let's look at it and see. I've never used any Cargo Cosmetics eyeshadows. Oh, the brush fell already. Oops, almost dropped the whole thing. This is the brush that came with it. It doesn't look like much of anything, so I usually, very few times are these brushes really usable that come in the palettes. It does have a small mirror, and these are the colors in the palette. They're very neutral, but it's kind of nice. I know that they sell Cargo, I believe, at Ulta, but I really couldn't tell you what the price of the palette would be, because like I said, I've never purchased it before. I did get a mini bronzer and a gift pack kind of thing that I got from Ulta, and it's very nice, from Cargo, but that's the only other product that I have. I don't know what this is. It says Beautycon at the end. Makeup drop. Don't waste a drop. The original silicone makeup applicator. Oh, I don't really use these. These are like, instead of a beauty sponge, you use a silicone applicator. These, for some reason, have never, oh, there it goes. They have never intrigued me, so I really don't know if I would even try that. But, you know. Okay, and then I have, oh, this is nice. This is a L'Oreal Voluminous Feline Mascara in black. So this is nice. I hope it's not waterproof. Doesn't look like it is. And it says Instant Volume Full Lash Density. So, and this is in black. Then I got a Voluminous Primer, also by L'Oreal. So this is also nice, because I do like to use lash primers. Then it looks like I got some Luxie brushes, and they kind of look like the ones I got in my oh, this would be nice for highlighter. They look a little similar to the ones that I got in my BoxyCharm, but that's nice. That's okay. This is a dual fiber one, it looks like. And let's see what else is there. Another brush. So I got 3 brushes from Luxie, and I do like their brushes. And this is the Brow Gal. So it looks like is, which I'll be interested in trying this. I've never used like a powder brow product. I usually use a pencil, but I'm not against trying a powder, oops, a color. And it looks like it is shades that I can use. So this isn't bad for 20 bucks. I think it was a good investment. That's all that's in the box. So in case you're interested, I will link their website below. And thank you for spending some time with me. Please give me a like. And if you have not subscribed, please do so that you can see and hit the little bell, so the next time that I post a video, you can, be notified. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.